Hello everybody! So if you want to learn how to do this, I'm going to show you all of the filters and stuff I used for each of these. So, first of all, for mic pane, it's literally just the audio input capture. Call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it mic pane toot for tutorial. Device, whatever you want to use, I'm using that. And then for the filters, you want 4 gains of 30 decibels each. So let me do that real quick. And then you want another gain of 15. So now that you have all of your gains, you then want a 3-band equalizer minus 14, 0, 20. And you want to add a compressor. Ratio, yes. Threshold, yes. Attack, 0, 0, well, 1, 1. Output gain, 32. Yep, that's what you want to do. If you want to see it again, gain, 15. This, and then the compressor. So this is what it would sound like. Okay, so next you want to add screen pane, is what I called it. It is a display capture. I'm going to call this one screen pane dot. Okay, so now for screen pane. So the filters you need are color correction. Let's just call this my eyes. Yep, that's a good name. You don't change this. And then color key, and then my eyes. That's a good name. You do minimum. This is already at maximum, and then maximum, and then this minus 0.07, and then delete this 5. So it should look like this. Gamma, you don't change. And then scaling aspect ratio. This is low quality. Cool. You do point resolution. I did 400 by 225. And then you add another one. It's sharpen. This is low quality. X2. 2. Sharpness. 1. For you guys, it would probably look something like this. You would have to scale it up and make sure that everything is aligned. Last thing, you add audio output capture. I'm going to call this my ears have disappeared. Yep, that's how you spell disappeared, all right. And for what you can do here is you can right-click mic pane, whatever, click copy filters, right-click my ears have disappeared, click paste filters. And now they have the same filters, which makes it sound something, which makes the end result sound something like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, yeah,